How to send money from PhonePe wallet to your bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your PhonePe wallet, and there are three different ways you can use in order to get the money in your bank account. The first way is that you just simply close your account, and after you close your account with PhonePe, you will be getting the amount in your wallet in your bank account, and this way you would be able to get it. The other method is just simply purchase the gold on PhonePe and just go to the option of investments. Under that you will be able to find gold. Just simply purchase the gold for the amount that you have in your wallet, and this way you will be receiving the fund in your wallet, and this way you would be receiving the fund in your bank account. And the other way is that just simply scan the QR code of your friend and send the money to your friend. This way your friend will get the money, and now you can get the money from your friend. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.